Dear Science Europe colleagues, I am representing Rannís, the Icelandic Research Centre in Reykjavik, Iceland. We have been reminded of the value of science in confronting public emergencies. The collaboration here in Iceland between the governments and the health scientists has been a key factor in combating the spread of COVID-19. We as a nation, 75% of the population are fully vaccinated. This high percentage is a result of open and democratic dialogue, where the scientists play an important role in the communication. We need a culture where we share scientific experience on how to meet great challenges of today and discuss the issue and resolve them together. We are blessed here in Iceland since scientists have been active in public engagement, whether the topic is epidemiology, natural hazards like volcanic eruptions or earthquakes, or on natural resources, acidity of the oceans, and not to mention climate change. This dialogue or culture is anything but given. Our science and technology policy states that in 2030, Iceland will be a society where research, knowledge, and creativity and initiative will lead to reform, value creation, and vibrant business for cultural life. Principal objectives of the Science and Technology Policy Council are research and innovation in Iceland should have a framework that is internationally competitive. Iceland institutes and entrepreneurs should increase their participation in international research and innovation. Value creation based on knowledge should be strengthened and jobs in knowledge industries increased. And lastly, research and innovation should benefit society in tackling societal challenges. The operational scope of Rannís covers research, innovation, education, and culture. In that sense, we have a wider scope compared to many of you within Science Europe. The role of Rannís is administration of competitive funds, stimulate international cooperation, as well as analysis and dissemination, and provide professional assistance in the preparation and implementation of public science and technology policy. The vision of Rannís is to strengthen research, innovation, education, and culture in the Icelandic society. Coming to the values or principles of Rannís, to have a positive impact on society by supporting research, innovation, education, and culture. Secondly, to build on work and knowledge and professional administration. And thirdly, to cooperate in our work to ensure that best possible service are to our clients. In our policy priorities, besides emphasizing excellence and competitiveness in the environment, green and digital, as well as open, are of course important. Societal challenges and sustainable development goals are important. Excellence of science and the advancement of our activities on the economy and the education are important, supporting growth of economic sectors. Participation in dynamic international cooperation by promoting increased opportunities and demonstrating achievement in international cooperation. On the impact, we want to build up measures of the outcome, establish a coherent performance indicators. Professionalism in all our work is vital for the results. It's important to have positive image among the public, the authorities, and of course, the organizations Rannís is serving. Necessity of infrastructure is, in our case, following a roadmap for building up and have an easy access to excellent research infrastructures. Finally, the vision for the science and technology is that Iceland will be a country that uses its small size as a strength and offers an interesting environment for creative and talented people, where research and innovation have strong economic and international significance. Thank you.